hope it doesn't sound too much like selling, but the fact is this panel package sells itself. Everybody that's been involved in the development of it has done a great job. It's proven to work very well, very efficiently, allows you to wire a panel very quickly. Brad said that we can wire a panel in less than a day, and that's 100% accurate because it's only about an hour and a half that it takes us to put a panel into and everything. So one of the things we're going to start with, you'll get, I only have one here, but this is our transponder tray. This is going to go next to the baggage sack. This comes with the rib nuts already in it. Your tray is mounted for the transponder itself. It mounts to the fuselage with dado clamps. You'll also have some antenna brackets for the GPS antenna. What else am I missing?
Stuff to your headset.
Yeah, that's right. Headset jacks. You've got your GMU 11 that goes out on the wingtip and magnetometer. So those are the brackets that come with the package. We're only going to show putting this one in. Okay. What tools do you need? We use some long Phillips. This one, I never could find the long Phillips, so if you have a weld shop, you can just take your own. So that's the number 1 Phillips. We also have number 2 short and long, just for getting different things. Here we have fashioned a couple of hooks, and these hooks, I'll let you drop those in. We tape them so we don't ding up any powder coat. We don't do anything to the panel accidentally. Nothing more frustrating than the panel deal. We're actually going to hang the panel to start with from the head rash there. So we're going to. Oh, you haven't done one of these yet.
No, I haven't yet. I'm learning.
That tells everything about your character.
You set me up.
We did. New guy.
I heard the audience. Audience participate. No, forward.
You'll get there, big guy. So, basically the way you're going to take the wire harness and the panel out of the package is exactly like this. You're going to have the coils, you're going to have everything already mounted to the back of the panel. Circuit breakers are in place, switches are in place, start button, all that good stuff. All of this hard work, we're going to take it apart. All right. Okay, so the whole thing is going to fall behind this large tube that the panel mounts on.
Are 3 people needed for this?
No, 2 and me. Okay.
I did it with my kid and with the fabric on. So even with the kid, if you happen to get fabric and paint, whatever, all this stuff still pretty easy. A little harder, but.
Oh, you should have heard him crying Monday morning. Like, man, this is so much easier to recover. And it is. You know, you can get to everything and you can watch it.
Oh, I was, yeah, that would be.
I say I have unbrag-worthy girth, so this does not fit in the back of the airplane. So I would hate to do this with covering on. But it
That's
is.
why the little guy's been hired.
That's right. wait. That was almost hurtful. All right.
You agreed with me.
So you kind of got to use your imagination here a little bit, because you want to account for your heater, your cabin heater that's going to be in here. You need to have enough space mounting that heater that you can pass all of this behind. You need about 1.5 inches, we figure. We've been mounting about 1 5/8 to 2 inches, depending on how everything kind of fits and comes together. But make sure you have the heater off the firewall enough that all this is going to fit back there. Most of this is going to go back and fit underneath the center console. We're going to move a lot of this back here. As far as this main coil goes, this guy, sorry, I have that left. So this is our fuse block. The fuse block is used for accessories primarily. So your headset jacks, your heater, anything that's really not flight critical or engine critical will go through the fuse block here. We we also have these two ports, which will get mounted here in a little disc. And those ports are specifically for the engine, checking lane A and B. If you have a fault, plug the dongle into that, and you can read all the engine data. Okay? This is set up already for the backup battery. Who was asking about the battery earlier? Sorry, so many conversations. But the point of the backup battery is to keep the avionics alive in the event that you have a drop in power. And you will have a drop in power every time you start the engine. So if you go to start the engine and you don't have that plugged in, or don't have a battery, we're going to have a dip in power to shut down the G3X. You can't see your oil pressure. You're trying to start the engine and waiting for the G3X to boot back up and everything else. So we have that guy in there, the battery also mounts to that works right there. Okay. Here on the other side, Mike's got the HIC connectors, HIC connectors, and those will plug into the ECU. Okay. They're all wired, ready to go, literally plug and play to the engine. There are some other wires getting here that go forward. These wires are going to go to the fuel pressure sensor, the fuse box, thank you, the grounds on the fuse box, as well as the start solenoid, things like that. These are not terminated, so this is one of the few things in the instrument panel you're going to have to contend with. Putting a space detector on or putting a terminal on and mounting it as you go. They're usually a little longer. We basically have gone to making one panel package. So if you find one wire that's really, really long, you go, that seems weird. It only goes over here for the 912, goes all the way back there to the 915. You have enough wire to get back there. So if you cut off 6 feet of wire, don't panic. It's all there for the right reasons. What else? I give a little plug to Viper chairs, because he's going to use this. Oh, need extra hardware to sweep the floor.